Third periodic trend we are going to study is metallic and non-metallic character. Already while studying structure of modern periodic table, we have learned a zigzag line separates metals on left side and non-metals on right side of that zigzag line, and the metalloids are lying on the border of the zigzag line. First, what happens with metallic characters in periodic table we will see. Metals have tendency to lose electrons and form cations. This property of metals is called electropositivity. With the help of example we will see that. Suppose sodium element whose atomic number is 11, electronic configuration 281. Now this is a sodium atom. Its electronic configuration is 281. This atom is not stable as its outermost shell is not complete. That's why this atom tries to give this one electron and it obtains this configuration 2, and last shell contains 8 electrons. So its octet is completed. So this sodium atom becomes stable by giving one electron. That is, it is converted from atom state to ion state. This is sodium ion and this is sodium atom. So the metal elements atoms are giving electrons in order to get stability, and they forms positive ion, that is cation, and this property is called electropositivity. The metallic or non-metallic characters of elements depends on two factors. First is nuclear charge and second is atomic radius. How these two factors affect metallic and non-metallic characters we will see. All the electrons in any atom are held by attractive force exerted on them by positively charged nucleus. Electrons in inner shells lies in between the valency shell and nucleus. Valency shell is nothing but outermost shell. Because of their presence, the effective nuclear charge exerting an attractive force on valence electrons is somewhat less than the actual nuclear charge. Thus, number of valence electrons in metals is small. Also, the effective nuclear charge exerting attractive force on the valence electrons is small. As a combined effect of these two factors, metals have tendency to lose valency electrons to form cations having a stable noble gas configuration or complete octet. This tendency of an element is called electropositivity is the metallic character of that element. Now we will see how metallic characters of elements from same group differs. Consider these are the elements from first group: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium. While going down in group, one shell is added. You can see here lithium is having 2 shells, sodium is having 3 shells, potassium is having 4 shells, rubidium is having 5 shells and cesium is having 6 shells. Thus, atomic radius also goes on increasing as we go from top to bottom. This results in lowering the effective nuclear charge and thereby lowering the attractive force on the valence electrons. As a result of this, the tendency of the atom to lose electron increases. That is, in other words, we can say that electropositivity of atom increases. And as electropositivity increases, metallic character also increases. So ultimately we can say that in a group from top to bottom, the metallic characters of elements increases. Now we will see metallic characters of elements from same period. Metallic characters of element decreases as we move left to right in same period. Why this is happening we will see. These are the elements from second period. You can see outermost shell of all these elements is second shell. That is, both all the elements contains 2 shells only. However, the positive charge on the nucleus goes on increasing while the atomic radius goes on decreasing, and thus the effective nuclear charge goes on increasing. As a result of this, the tendency of atom to lose valence electrons decreases. In other words, we can say that electropositivity decreases, and if electropositivity decreases, metallic characters decreases. Thus, we can say non-metallic characters increases. So, while moving from left to right in particular period, non-metallic characters are increasing and also electronegativity increases. Next is non-metallic characters. Non-metals generally forms anions, that is negative ions, by accepting electrons. This property is called electronegativity. For non-metallic characters also 2 factors are essential or important: nuclear charge and atomic radius. As we go from left to right within a period, nuclear charge and decreasing atomic radius are responsible for increasing effective nuclear charge. Therefore, valence electrons are held with greater and greater attractive force. This is called electronegativity of an atom. Due to increasing electronegativity from left to right within a period, the ability of atom to become anion by accepting outside electrons goes on increasing. That is, the tendency of element to form anion is increasing. So we can say that electronegativity increases, means non-metallic characters increases from left to right within a period.